Hey guys, it's Liam from Speed Nasty Garage. I'm here today with Yianni from YVmedia over there, and a really cool guy named Troy who's brought his Evo 10 out. And Yianni's been nice enough to have me behind the scenes on the shoot so that I can show you a little bit of what goes into each of his shoots. So this is going to be the first of a couple that I'm going to be doing with him over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, so we're going to be following Yianni around, showing you some of the cars, some of the car that he's filming and whatnot. It's a cool looking rig. It's really, really tidy, really street style, which is really, really cool. So I'll leave it at that and we'll just get into it. I'll get some footage and you guys can make up your mind and see the car for yourself. See you in a minute.
Must you do that? You bloody idiot. That's it. It's never coming to just a light one, nothing too crazy. One more. Might just cruise it.
Alright guys, so Yianni's just gone for a quick cruise with Troy to map out the audio for that car. So he's left me here with his camera gear to look after that. So we're going to be filming the rest of the shoot of the Evo once he's sorted out all the audio stuff, and then roll it around the area, get some nice shots, some rolling shots, all that kind of stuff. We've got most of the cameras on, as you've seen him setting them all up so far. So yeah, should be good from there.
Good. That's worth the run.
Yeah?
Worth the run.
Worth the run?
So we got him coming through here from the halfway on that elevated walkway.
Yep.
And then when he got to the lights, red light, woo, jumped into the middle of the road.
Yep.
I gotta show you the shot. Insert shot that I'm talking about right now here.
Run!
You need to do another.
Alright, so that's a wrap. Yianni's just checking if the camera's filming. It's filming? Alright, it's filming. That's good. So that's a wrap. I'm pretty happy with that. Are you pretty happy with that? Pretty happy with that?
Pretty happy with that. Yeah.
We got the light just in time.
We did.
So.
We did. I was telling you we could have probably pushed it back half an hour to an hour, but it turns out we actually pushed it back to the right amount of time.
Pushed it back to the perfect time.
Yeah, perfect timing.
Security did rush us a little, but we were pretty much finished with that shot.
To be fair though, they were pretty nice about it.
They were super chill. They did come up and they asked us how long we were going to be, not give us a time of when we need to be gone.
Yes.
So, yeah, it was funny. We were like, oh, 2 minutes, and Yianni's like, no, 5 minutes. We'll be 5 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you've got to give us a little bit of slack.
Milk it.
We weren't doing anything wrong, so whatever.
So we're going to end it there. That's pretty much it. I'm going to be doing a couple more of these with Yianni. Yay, yeah, I get the nod of approval. We're going to be doing some more of these. Real light, like real chilled kind of vibe. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. And the Russian beats, loving it. So yeah, we're gonna finish this video here, and we're gonna head home. Yianni and I live in opposite directions, so we gotta bounce. And that's it. So as usual, guys, stay nasty, and we will see you guys next time on a Speed Nasty Garage vlog.
Adios.
Peace, guys.